Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Edukutum. In this video we will learn about the polity class and the topic is sources of Indian Constitution. We will learn about this topic in a very easy way with some tips and tricks. This video is meant for all the students preparing for any government competitive exam. So let's get started. So what we have borrowed from the USA Constitution? We have borrowed mainly 6 things, that is fundamental rights, preamble, functions of president and vice president, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges, independence of judiciary and judicial review. So the trick is judicially. So if a judicial term comes in your question, then you have to mark the answer USA. That is, अगर आपके क्वेश्चन में कोई भी judicial से related term आ जाए, then you have to mark the answer as USA. Now, the second trick is, according to preamble and fundamental rights, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges are functions of president and vice president. It means all the constitution which we have borrowed is hidden in this sentence, like according to preamble and fundamental rights. Then preamble and fundamental rights we have taken from the USA. Removal of Supreme and High Court judges, it is also included, and functions of president and vice president. Simply this sentence means that प्रियम्बल और फंडामेंटल राइट्स के अकॉर्डिंग सुप्रीम कोर्ट और हाई कोर्ट के जजेस का रिमूवल प्रेसिडेंट और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के फंक्शंस होते हैं. सो दिस इज योर ट्रिक्स एंड ऑल द कीवर्ड्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन दिस सेंटेंस. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस सेंटेंस. सो द नेक्स्ट इज जर्मनी. जर्मनी वी हैव बोरोड ओनली वन थिंग, दैट इज सस्पेंशन ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स ड्यूरिंग इमरजेंसी. दैट मीन्स अगर किसी भी कंट्री में लाइक हमारे इंडिया में इमरजेंसी लग जाती है, देन fundamental rights suspension is there. So it has only one thing we have borrowed from the Germany, so there is no much that trick to be remembered. You can remember that. Okay, so the next thing is France. We have borrowed mainly 2 things from the France, that is principles of liberty, equality, fraternity and the republican system. So the trick is, France always fights for its liberty, equality and fraternity because it is a republican state. जो फ्रांस है वो उसने हमेशा लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी और फ्रेटर्निटी के लिए फ़ाइट किया है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो एक रिपब्लिकन स्टेट है, दैट इज़ गणतंत्र राज्य या फिर देश है. सो दिस इज़ योर ट्रिक फॉर द फ्रांस. The next is Australia. We have borrowed 2 things, that is concurrent list and trade and commerce provisions. The trick is, in Australia a concurrent meeting of trade and commerce was held. That is, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर एक concurrent meeting हुई, एक लगातार meeting हुई जिसमें टॉपिक था trade and commerce. So this is your trick, concurrent list and trade and commerce provisions. The next is Ireland. We have borrowed 3 things, that is DPSP, method of presidential elections, nomination of members to Rajya Sabha by president. The trick is, in Ireland president election method and nomination of members of Rajya Sabha by president is given in DPSP. That means आयरलैंड के अंदर जो भी प्रेसिडेंट का इलेक्शन मेथड होता है, प्रेसिडेंट कैसे इलेक्ट होकर आएगा और जो भी राज्यसभा के मेंबर्स प्रेसिडेंट नॉमिनेट करेगा, ये सब चीज़ किसके अंदर दे रखी है? DPSP के अंदर. It means it has 3 keywords hidden in this sentence. First is president election method and वो जो राज्यसभा के मेंबर्स को नॉमिनेट करेगा. Second and the last one is DPSP. DPSP is very important one. The next is South Africa. From the South Africa we have borrowed 2 things, that is amendment with 2/3 majority in parliament, and the second one is election of majority of Rajya Sabha on the basis of proportional representation. The trick is, proportional election of members of Rajya Sabha include 2/3 majority in parliament. That means जो भी राज्यसभा के अंदर इलेक्शन होते हैं वो प्रोपोर्शनल इलेक्शन के थ्रू होते हैं, जो मेंबर्स होते हैं, और उसमें 2/3 की मेजॉरिटी चाहिए होती है पार्लियामेंट के अंदर. सो देर आर 2 कीवर्ड्स, दैट इज प्रोपोर्शनल इलेक्शन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर एंड 2/3 मेजॉरिटी इन पार्लियामेंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम द साउथ अफ्रीका. राइट. द नेक्स्ट इज कैनेडा. So Canada we have borrowed 3 things, that is federation with strong center, provide residuary power to center, Supreme Court advises jurisdiction. Okay, so if you in your question a term called center related comes, then you have to mark the answer as Canada. सेम एज जैसे कि जुडिशियल टर्म आए तो आपको यूएसए मार्क करना है. सेम अगर सेंटर से रिलेटेड कोई भी टर्म आ जाए, स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंटर, पावर टू सेंटर, देन यू हैव टू मार्क द आंसर एज कैनेडा. द नेक्स्ट इज सुप्रीम कोर्ट एडवाइजरी jurisdiction. फॉर दैट Canada is in Supreme Court advisory jurisdiction. This is your trick. That means Canada जो है वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की एडवाइजरी jurisdiction के अंदर काम करता है. So this is your trick. The next one is Britain. So we have borrowed lot of things from the Britain, that is rule of law, single citizenship, law making procedures, office of CAG, bicameral parliamentary system. So the trick is ब्रिटेन की पार्लियामेंट के कैग ऑफिस में सिंगल सिटीजन भी लॉ एंड रूल ब्रेक नहीं कर सकता. ओके, सो द ट्रिक इज़ वेरी सिंपल. So Britain की parliament is included there, CAG office is there, and single citizen is for single citizenship, law and rule of law and law making procedures are there, and break नहीं कर सकता. So it is a very simple line, you can remember that. The next is USSR. From the USSR we have borrowed fundamental duties and ideals of justice in preamble. The trick is USSR believe in principles of fundamental duties and lay down ideals of justice in preamble. It means जो USSR है वो उसका जो सिद्धांत है वो फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज़ है कि अपनी ड्यूटीज़ अच्छे से निभाओ, एंड ले डाउन आइडियल्स ऑफ जस्टिस इन प्रियम्बल. और प्रियम्बल के अंदर उसने न्याय के लिए एक आइडियल्स लिख रखे हैं कि हमेशा वो न्याय करेगा. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज ट्रिक्स. And this was the last USSR slide. Okay, and you have to tell me one question, that who is the CAG of India, that is Comptroller and Auditor General of India, as we had discussed in previous slide, office of CAG. So you have to comment the right answer in the comment box. So thank you everyone. Stay connected to the channel.